What's up, everybody? This is your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So here is another episode of the stress test. Well, I take a device and I stress it out, try to see if I can lag it out. Today on the chopping block, I have the Blackberry KEYone. This device got the 625 processor with 3 gigs of RAM. Now, a lot of y'all might say, well, why would you do a stress test on the Blackberry KEYone? Isn't this a business-only device? Well, think about it. You do a lot of multitasking, you do a lot of typing, going through emails, just a lot of things that you do on this device. And let's see if it can handle it. I've done stress test videos on high-end phones that failed. Then I did stress test videos on low-end phones that passed. So let's go on and see the optimization of the Blackberry KEYone and see if it's gonna be King Supreme. Let's stress it out. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So I got the Blackberry KEYone. I got my timer. We're gonna do this in 20 minutes. But before we do this here, let me show you guys that I am at 100% battery life, right? And I have no apps open, all right? And I have the brightness level about medium. Let's put that about medium, all right? And look at the temperature. Right now the temperature is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's make sure we see that there. So right now the temperature is at 75 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great. Nice and cool. The device is cool to the frame. So let's go on and stress this device out. We're going to start the timer. And the first app we're going to run is Geekbench 4, right? And let's go and run Geekbench 4 and let the device run. All right, so again, this device has a Snapdragon 625 processor with 3 gigs of RAM. All right, guys, so we're about 6 minutes in, and it just finished. And wow, it took a long time to do this benchmark test. All right, so there we go. We got single core score of 867 and multi-core score of 3763. And for reference, let me give you the Motorola X4 with a 630 processor in it. And this device is running a 630 processor with 885 single core and 4163. So look at those two scores, the difference between the 625 and the 630. All right, so let's go and check out the temperature. All right, so we right at 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's get out of here and just go here, and everything looks okay so far. All right. No problems at all. All right, so let's go to open up Excel spreadsheet. Again, this is a business device, right? And so the Excel spreadsheet open up pretty quick. All right, and go to Word. All right, there we go. Word open up pretty quick. And we got a PowerPoint. Woo, surprisingly open up pretty quick. And there it is, right? We about 7 minutes in. And look like everything is running so smooth right now on the Blackberry KEYone, right? So let's look at that. All right, 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so we got multitasking. See everything that's in the RAM. Go back, looks good. Go back, looks good. Uh-oh. All right, so looks like the benchmark test have to reload. Let's get out of there. Let's open up a game and go from there. Okay, so we had 9 minutes, 51 minutes. The load times on here was pretty lengthy as far as it loading. Starting the game was pretty fast, but loading the game took a little time. So just be advised. And let's go on and take a look at this. Now, this is a 1080p screen. Right now, the graphics look pretty good. No stuttering, no hiccups. And I can tell you, I do feel a little warmth underneath the device so far. Just starting this here. Boom, let's get some of that drift in. Now I am getting a few drop frames. That's kind of expected a little bit, right? So you can see that it is jiggling a little bit as we play this game. All right. So there it is. That's Asphalt 8 that I'm playing on the Blackberry KEYone. They play pretty good. Let's get out of here. Let's go and start another game. This is going to be Dead Trigger 2. Okay, so we about a little after 11 minutes, and it's taking a little time to load the game. And the device is definitely a little warm up in this area. All right. And you know, listen, it's not ideal to play games on this device. definitely with the keyboard right there. But hey, let's see what it is, right? Right? And now it's playing it. Woo! Woo! Okay. Woo! Yes, yes. Not smooth, guys. Woo! Look at that. Not smooth at all, guys. All right, so we definitely get some stuttering. All right, so we get some stuttering here. All right. Just so y'all know that definitely gonna kind of have some issues playing high intensive games. All right. So right now with all these graphics going on, we all see some drop frames. It is doing some stuttering. All right, so let's get out of here. And we got all that in memory. All right. Ooh, all right, so, ooh, all right, so you can see that we start to get some hindrance here at about 12 minutes in. Let's go back to our multitasking. All right, so we still got all this stuff in multitask. Let's open up, look at our temperature gauge. We're at 86 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, go back to our multitasking. We got Word reloading. All right, so Word reload and Excel reloading. All right, so it's nothing in memory so far. And Geekbench, okay, so Geekbench is reloading. All right, so everything is reloaded. Let's go back to Asphalt 8. All right, so Asphalt 8 stayed in memory. All right, so there it is. Asphalt 8 stayed in memory. Let's get out of here. Let's open up another game. All right, and yeah, I mean, so far the game stayed in memory. But the apps didn't stay in memory. So there it is, 13 minutes in, and we definitely won. We're about almost close to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let's see if we can get into it. Now, one of the things about playing these games, you got that bar right there. Now, I hope one day Blackberry would get rid of this if you're going to play games. So there it is. Okay. Woo. Oh, yeah. All right, so we're getting a little unresponsiveness there. All right. Definitely. Ooh. All right. As you can tell, that it's definitely doing a little unresponsiveness here. A little stuttering. Okay, a little stuttering. All right. All right. Let's go on and play. All right. So far it's playing pretty good. Ooh, it's stuttering a little bit. Let's see if we can see what's going on here. Yeah, it's definitely stuttering. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go back to multitasking. Ooh, all right, so yes, we definitely kind of slowing down a little bit. All right, and again, multitasking. It's nothing in memory. Everything looked like it had to reload. All right, so it looked like we're reloading here, 87 degrees. All right, and let's go back. All right, so Excel is still in memory. PowerPoint is still in memory. All right, and let's go back to Dead Trigger 2. All right. All right, so Dead Trigger 2 had to reload, so it's not in memory. All right, so there it is. And we're not getting any stuttering, any hiccup when we navigating through the OS. So that's a good thing. And let's go back and open up some more apps, Modern Combat 5. And again, reloading. So at this point, with the Blackberry KEYone, with the limited supply of RAM, it's now closing out all the apps. And it's a little warm, but it's not hot to the touch. So we're not getting that much heat as far as that. Now the 625 processor look like it's doing a great job. Now, as far as playing high intensive games, not gonna happen. You can play games, but you're not gonna get that good experience. Now the whole game had to reload. So we're gonna get out of there. And let's go back to Asphalt 8. All right, again, the game have to load. And look, the load times opening the app was pretty fast. All right, but starting the game kind of gave me a little hiccup and lag right there because it took a while to load the game. Okay, so we didn't open up there. No big deal. All right, let's get out of here. All right, so we get just a little tap non-responsiveness, right? When I'm hitting the home button. And let's see, kind of navigate through the OS a little bit, right? All right. So let's go back to our multitask. All right, multitasking here. Let's see if we can open up some, let's see, Instagram look like it opened. All right, so that's Instagram. There goes me. Easy E. All right, so let's go to, since we go to open up some more apps, let's go to open up some more social media. All right, Twitter, open up pretty quick. All right, let's go back and let's open up YouTube. YouTube opened up pretty quick. No big deal there. So apps are still opening up pretty fast. Let's go to Telegram. Wow, Telegram opened up fast. So you're not going to have any problems opening up apps. All right. But when you do run this device very intensive, you're definitely going to run into some issues. And I mean, it's still smooth as butter. We're not getting any drop frames, any lagginess here. All right. The Blackberry KEYone has its good functionality when it comes down to, going through the OS, opening up apps for the first time. You're going to have very good app opening, playing games, not high intensive games if you want to get that smooth experience. But overall, we're 20 minutes in. Let's go and check the battery life. 96% battery life, so not bad. 20 minutes in, so that wasn't so bad. All right, and overall, I'm kind of impressed. Taking it that it didn't give me that much problems, and it's not hot. That's the good thing. Look, we at 87 degrees Fahrenheit right now with this device, and I can tell you that kind of impressed me a little bit because I've done a lot of stress test videos so far, and even with high-end devices, I got to mid 100s when it comes down to temperature. So there it is. Wow, that's the Blackberry KEYone. Overall battery life is pretty good. Overall solid device. I am impressed. Wow, and that is the Blackberry KEYone stress test. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Blackberry KEYone in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.